What's up, YouTube? And it's Ennis from Long Island Legacy. And today, I have an unboxing video. I just got my Luxe my Luxe 1.0. Traded my SL for it. And my Prophecy, I'm getting a couple flex parts in later. It's a 1.0. Really don't know much about Luxes. Never owned one. It's my first time. Got the two-piece barrel. This has the... Hold on. This has the 687 freak insert on the back. There's a little grip on it to make it soft. Grip's a little messed up. I'm going to be ordering a new one. Now it has a polished NDZ can in it. Barrel front. Don't know what this is. There's an O-ring in there. I think it's a spare battery. Got a charger. Right here, the wall charger, I think. And you got a little box with screws in it and two 3 Allen keys. And you got an O-ring in there. And I got another gun today. I picked it up off a friend. It's a 1 of 1. Hold on. It's a 1 of 1 Hulk or Joker Geo Plus. It's got the 689 blue back and the 693 green back. Got the lube, Allen keys. Don't know what this and this is. The spare parts bag. And you got the gun. It's 1 of 1 custom anode Geo Plus. Hold on, let me show you guys the bolt. It's this is up for sale for on PB Nation. I'm asking for $650, but I'm willing to go down to like $600 for it. I'm willing to take trades as well, so if you come at me with a U11 or another Luxe, I'm willing to add money for it. But here we got the bolt. Bolt's green as well, if you can see. Full bolt. I just lubed it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you next time.